Once I went for a blood test, and I was diagnosed positive. I didn't know what to do, but then I remembered that I have my friends and my family. I know that the Lord is my shepherd, and He will help me get through it all. I believe, I believe. Someday, whatever we're going through, we're going through. Forevermore, and let us follow Him. Let us follow Him. He'll never, never let us down. No, 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 no.
Now sit down, relax, to get the story some. And listen and learn. Ngoba safa saphela isizwe, saphela ingculaza. Abazali nabantwana. Cause once upon a time, my auntie passed away when my cousin was 6 months, and he also passed away. So I felt I must abandon him. Ukuse siphumelele, ulomshaba jikelele, ulomshaba jikelele, ulomshaba jikelele. Usafuka nawe msanda, ukafula beshubone. Bayaphela abanye bakefa, abazali basala bekhala. Sebesisikanda lakho, kuza sonke inkinga zakho. Sebethela uThixo wakho, amaxesha akho onke. Abstain from any sex and live a longer life, cause AIDS is like an X. Ikapusa next. Abstain from early sex and live a longer life, and live a longer life, and live a longer life.
And Mama told me I should pray and always live a positive lifestyle. And she told me to pray and ask for mercy from the Lord. And Mama told me to always remember His existence. Yeah, yeah. I believe, I believe, oh, that God will be with us. Whatever we're going through, cause it is forever and ever and ever and evermore. Come, let us all follow Jesus and stay positive. He'll never let us down. He'll never let us down.
Abstain from early sex and live a longer life. Stay positive, cause God won't let you down. Stay positive.